Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT Air Filter channel. Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2021 Subaru Ascent. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Step 1. Open the glove box and locate the damper arm on the right side of the glove box. Gently push it outward to unhook, release the damper arm. Step 2. Press both sides of the glove box inward to release the glove box. Next, you'll see the filter housing cover. The cabin air filter is located inside. Press the two side tabs to open the filter housing cover. Remove the dirty cabin air filter and make sure to check the airflow direction before taking it out. As you can see, this old filter definitely needs to be replaced. It's clogged with dust and leaves. Take the FreshenOPT cabin air filter and install it in the correct airflow direction. Close the filter housing cover, reinstall the glove box, and you're all set. Even in winter, replacing your cabin air filter takes just 1 minute. Thank you for watching. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT.ca. Members save 10% for life, plus free surprise kits. Link in description.